Very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the topic in Introduction to C, Programming in C. In this, first we are going to discuss the Introduction to C. C is a high-level structure-oriented programming language used in general-purpose programming developed by Dennis Richard in the year of 1969 and 1973. And here the sum of the fact about the C programming language. First one is in 1988, the American National Standard Institution, that is ANSI, has formalized the C language. Then C was introduced to write the Unix operating system. C is a successor basic combined programming language that is called BCBL. It's also called as B language. And uses of C programming language. In the beginning, C was used for developing the system applications. For example, database system, language interpreter, compiler and assembler, operating system, network drivers and word processors. C has become very popular for various reasons. For first one is one of the earliest programming language, still the best languages for quick learners. C language is a reliable and simple to use. C language is a structural language. It can be compiled on a variety of computer platform. For that's what still now the C is a very popular languages. Then features of C programming language. First one is C is a robust language which is self to build in functions and operators. Programs written in C are efficient and very fast. C is a highly portable language. Program once written in C can be run in any machines with or without any modifications. C is basically a C library functions. We can also create our own library function and add into a C library. C is a easily extendable language. See, these are the features of a C language. Then here this particular slide is described about the structures of a C programming language. The structure starts from documentation and end with the programming sections. So documentation sections, then linker section, global declaration sections, and then programming sections. We will discuss one by one upcoming slides. What is this documentation sections? This documentation sections is commonly called as a command line argument sections. This sections is used to help for developer easily understand and existing the code in the futures. The symbols used for this is curly open, that means a slash followed by the asterisk symbols. The next section is a linker sections. This linker section is the core part of the program in which the compiler link the inbuilt functions from the system library. For an example, hash include, then open brace, close brace. Next one is the definition sections. In this part, we define the symbolic constants. For an example, define pi is equal to 3.14. So this section is used for symbolic constants. Then next section is a global declarations. When the programmer wants to use some variables that are used in more than one in a functions, the global declaration sections is used to define those variables that are used globally within an entire program, and this is used to more than one functions. So usually there is a two types of declaration. One is a global declaration, another one is a local declarations. That means before main function, if you are declared some function, that is known as a global declaration. After main, if I declare anything, any variables, that is called as a local declarations. The next one is a main function. The main functions where the program executes begins. Okay, there is a two important part in a main function. One is the declaration part, another one is the execution part. In declaration part, in which all the variables are used to define the functions and declared. And then execution part, in which a logic and other process is done. Two curly braces, that means open curly brace and close curly brace, is used to grouping all the statement together or show how much of the main function has it is a scope. So in main, two important thing, one is a declaration part, another one is a execution part. Then here the example program for the beginners. So here hash include stdio.h is a header file, then main, void main is open, then printf program is fun. So simply I have display program is to fun. That's it. Then here is a example program for additions of two number. That means into sum. In the sum I am adding 50 plus 20 and then I am straight away I am printing that sum values. Thank you. I think this video will be the very useful for you all guys. Thank you.